we are observing purity of liquids, different liquids. Is that so? While observing purity of liquid, different from meter, so in the meter, we are immersing a entity. So how it is flowing? Is it sinking in the milk? No. There no. So once again we have to check the oil. So this is oil. So I will so what is going on here? Next water, making water. Take one more test tube. Water, taking water. What is this? Hey, don't make any noise. Put it there. Okay. So what are we doing here? So here we should observe the reading and mark with a marker. So what is going on here? So you are marking here. So imagine. So I am again immersing in the other tissue. So it is not sinking more in the that of water. It is not sinking that of water. So means this milk is very pure than the water. Next, if we observe in oil, so boys come this side, all of you come this side. So here also what are we doing here? So this in oil this liquid is sinking more than that of water and milk. Means the purity of oil is less than the water. So this is our own lactometer. So but now I will add some water. So I am adding water in the milk. So what is going on here? Now we are observing the liquid. There is a liquid. So if you observe now, see how it is reading. First time it was not sinking in this reading. Now after the reading it is not sinking. So purity of the milk is changed in second case.
033 0033 20033 Ajay sir.